What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Backwoods Archer YouTube channel. So, the past 10 days been crazy, and the video you guys are about to watch, it's pretty good. It's really thrown together. We went on multiple hunts, just have a little bit of video of each hunt, and Brad ended up missing 2 birds. One we thought we had, but we couldn't find him, and that's how it goes sometimes. You know, you don't always make the best shot, and it sucks, but it happens to the best of us. But yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a really thrown together video, but if you guys stick around and watch, it ends up being all worth it. So me and Brad, we're both tagged out now, and we may take a few kids that haven't got to kill any birds yet, go try to put them on some birds. But like I said, it's gonna be kind of a thrown together video. We have a few shots of a little bit of everything, but if you guys stick around and watch the video, it'll all be worth it.
Well, guys, we've actually got our butts kicked. Tom I'm actually after is about 100 yards right over here. We got 2 more chasing hens 100 yards in front of us. And sure enough, have it, the group of 4 toms that we were on this morning that evaded us decided to join and make this 10 times harder because they're in the middle of a field and there ain't a damn thing we can do about it.
Right in the middle of a real low field. We're kind of sitting in a little ditch right now, just watching these birds.
So we got 7 toms, and there's a damn thing we can do. So that's it here. We've been after these birds 2.5 hours on the ground, and I have a feeling it ain't gonna get done no time soon either.
No, but those 2 hens right there are really working their way back fast.
Yeah.
Tom's following them.
We gotta go.
It's about 93 degrees, 1 o'clock in the middle of the evening. We came to walk near pieces of gentleman's timber, and we see a ton. Well, we don't see, but we've heard 2 or 3 gobbles, and we could see one. we just asked him if we could hunt the place, and he said he didn't care to shoot one. So we'll go see if we can make it happen. Let's go, dude.
All right, guys, all the hard work and miles we put in this year is finally came together for the bird I have been after. We worked all day long, decided to come out and try to even hunt and roost the birds, and turns out he was actually right underneath that tree right over there in the shade, just strutting away. So we made probably a 300-yard stalk on him. Came right down this ridge right here. Came in absolute purpose. She came running right by us about 25 yards. I mean, not even 30 seconds later, he came in gobbling. You'll see on the video, I mean, he just made it easy. But we've probably got, I don't know, 9 days of hunting this bird in. He's outsmarted us every day. But today's the day. He's actually rope on him. Spur-wise, decent. He's got some real sharp old spurs.